Wiring in the switch for the mood lights. Good Sunday afternoon to you all, YouTube, here at the bench. It's 12:17 now in the afternoon. As you can see, I have some tape on there. I think that's how that's going to work. I have a pigtail coming out to plug into the circuit there. I'll have to use one of those little adapters that I've got a million of them sitting around here. Put one of those there and plug that in, and that's where the mood lights will plug in. And I've been kind of rearranged and doing some stuff here, but you can see I was panning around here a little bit. Using my handy dandy little handle tripod. You can see there it goes around and around and around and around and around and around, and it ends right there. That's where as far as I've got it so far. I can't, you know me and switches and things like that. I lose parts left and right, and that's what I've done. I basically lost the little plate I made with the switch. It's here somewhere. I've seen it several times when I've been cleaning other things. It's popped up here and there. So once I find that, I'll wire that into the end there. I've got plenty of wire left, as you can see there. It goes down pretty far down there. So I've got plenty of that left. So that should hold it, I think, pretty well. I'm pretty sure. I think that'll work. Now, as far as my whiteboard concerned, I don't know where I'm going to put that, but I had to take the screws out to use that board there for the wires to go across. And I could probably get it back in there. It's not a big deal, but I just, you know, being as I've already taken the screws out, I think, well, you know, might as well go ahead and find a better place to put that. Alright, well, here's a look at the finished product. Obviously, you don't see much of anything now, but if we flip the switch here, hey, we have lights. And here's where it ended up being. Let me turn the big light on so you can probably see it a little bit better. So there you go. Here's where it ended up. Nothing fancy on the wiring, just taped. But like I said, this is the way it works, and I'm happy with it. Very happy. Like I said, it makes the biggest difference to me because I don't have to worry about tripping over something getting in here. As you can see, it's let me show you. Whoop, wrong one. As you can see down here, you can see pretty good with just that lighting. I mean, I can see if there's something on the floor. So I'm happy with that. Like I said, it works exactly like I wanted it to work. So, happy about that. And that's about it for that one. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put this together. Tomorrow is going to be a Monday flapping video. Not sure exactly where I'm going to do it, but that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to try to schedule things a little bit better for, you know, those of you who like to watch it. So you'll know in advance what it's going to be. I think that's going to do me. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see ya.